Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are doing great at your homes. Today, we will start with our next chapter, chapter number 5, that is our body, a living machine. We have seen number of machines, just like a car, grinder, computer. They all are machines. But do you know that human body, our body, that is also a machine? We do number of activities, but human body is a living machine. Okay, remember this thing. We all have seen computer. It works with devices like keyboard is there, mouse is there, cpu is there, monitor is there. Each device has its different function to perform, but all these devices are essential for its proper functioning. So we know if we want to operate a computer, we all need monitor, cpu, mouse, keyboard. We all need these things. Similarly, our body is also a machine, but it's a living machine. Our human body, that is a machine, but it's a living machine. It's a living one. It is made up of many parts which work together to perform various activities. All these parts work together so that we can do number of activities. So I'll repeat. Our body is a wonderful machine. Human body is a wonderful machine. It performs many functions just like eating, running, walking, crying, writing, singing. Number of things we can do. It has different parts, like we are having different parts, hands, legs, mouth, to do these activities. So in this chapter we will talk about the different parts of our body, how they work together and perform the similar function. Okay, so the first one is, what is our body made up of? Have you ever thought about it? हमारी जो बॉडी है वो कैसे बनी है? Okay, I'll give you example बच्चा. Just like if we want to build a house, अगर आपको एक हाउस बच्चा build करना है, what do you need? You need brick. आपको ईंटें चाहिए. So that brick is known as the basic unit of house. अगर आपके पास बच्चा ईंटें ही नहीं होंगी, ब्रिक्स नहीं होंगी, हाउ यू आर गोइंग टू बिल्ड द हाउस? फॉर that particular house, for that particular building, that bricks are the basic unit. In the same way, our body is made up of cell. There are number of cells in our body, and those cells are basic unit of life. So I'll repeat, our body is made up of millions of tiny parts. They are known as cell. A cell is the smallest functional unit of our body, and these cells are known as building blocks of our body. Our hand, nails, hairs, legs, they all are made up of these cells. So remember this thing, the tiny parts, millions of tiny parts are there in our body. Those are known as cells. Cells are the basic functional unit of a human body, or we can say cell is the basic unit of life. So as we have discussed, there are cells in our body. When the same cells join together and they do the same function, they are known as tissue. So remember this thing, a group of cells similar in structure, they form a tissue. The cells which are similar in structure and they perform the same task, they are known as tissues. Tissues join together to make an organ. When the cells are joined together, same kind of cells are joined together to perform the same function, they are known as tissues. And when the tissues are joined together, they are known as organs. And when the tissues of same kind join together to do the same function, they are known as organs. A group of organs work together performing a task in living body forms the organ system. All organ system together make an organism. So I'll repeat. The human body is made up of cells. Cells are of different kind, but when the cells are of same kind joined together, they form the tissue, and tissues join together to make the organ. Many organs join together, they form organ system, and different organ system, they work together to make it possible for our body to play, learn, grow, and to do number of activities. Okay, remember this thing. Look here, also in this picture they have given cells. When the cells are joined together, when the same kind of cells are joined together, they form tissues. When the tissues join together, they form organ. When all the organs join together, work together, they form the organ system. And when the organ system works, they form the organism, that is living being. Okay, now we are going to talk about the organ system. So the organ system, a number of organs associate with every system in human body. These organs work in very organized manner and perform the task they are meant for. The systems keep working tirelessly even when we are asleep. So now they are talking about, just like we all know, there are different organs in our body and they perform सेपरेट फंक्शन विच दे आर मेंट फॉर. जिस टास्क के लिए जो ऑर्गन है वो सिर्फ वही टास्क करेगा, उसके अलावा कोई टास्क नहीं करेगा. एंड द थिंग इज दे वर्क टायरलेसली. वो तब भी वर्क करते रहते हैं जब हम स्लीप कर रहे हैं. द ह्यूमन बॉडी विच इज़ यूनिक मशीन, वी ऑल नो ह्यूमन बॉडी इज़ अ यूनिक मशीन, can perform a number of tasks at a time. At the same time we can perform number of tasks. The different organs present in our body, they are just like a team and each one has its own function. Let's say if the bowler is there, let's say if the cricket team is there, there are batsmen and bowlers, the bowlers and fielders. What is the function of bowlers? To pass the ball. And what is the function of batsman? To hit the ball. In the same way, the different organs present in our body, they perform the different function which they have assigned. Okay, now our human body is made up of 8 organ system, and these all organ system they work together like a member of team, as I have told you, to perform the task of keeping us alive. Why they are performing their function? So that we can stay alive. To keep us alive, they perform the different function. And our human body has 8 organ system. They are: the skeletal system forms the framework of bones, muscular system gives shape to our body, respiratory system provide oxygen to all parts, digestive system, they gives us energy, circulatory system provides blood to all parts of body, excretory system remove waste from our body, nervous system coordinates various actions of our body, and reproductive system enable us to reproduce young ones. Okay, so there are 8 organ system in the human body. So first one we are going to talk about is skeletal system. The bones together make up a skeleton. There are 206 bones in our adult human body. You can see here, this is our skeletal system. There are 206 bones in an adult human being. This is our skull. This part is rib cage. This is our backbone. These are legs bone and these are arms bone. Okay, remember this thing. In human being, in the adult human being, there are 206 bones, and the framework of these bones, how they are attached to one another, that provides shape to the body. Skull, this is our skull that protects our brain, and these rib cage, this is a rib cage that protects our delicate organs, heart and lungs. Remember this thing, bacha. This is our thigh bone. This is our thigh bone, and this is the longest bone in our body. This thigh bone is the longest bone in our body, and the ear contains the smallest bones. This thigh bone is known as the longest bone, and the ears contain smallest bones. Okay, and these all bones, they are made up of minerals like calcium and phosphorus. So I'll repeat. In the human body, there are 206 bones. These bones join together to make up our skeletal system. These bones, these framework of bones gives shape and support to the body. So that's why we can stand, walk and move because of our bones. All these bones protect our soft organs of our body, just like as I have told you, this rib cage protects heart, lungs, and this skull protects our brain. Heart, lungs and brain, they are the delicate organs of our body, so they are protected by the bones. Okay, and there are 206 bones in an adult human being. Remember this thing. So the next is muscular system. Muscles are soft tissues present all over the bones and under the skin. There are 640 muscles in our body. They form the muscular system which help us in the movement of body, which helps in the movement of the body. Muscles are attached to the bones by the strong cords. They are known as tendons. Bones and muscles together help us to do many activities. So muscles are the soft tissues that are present all over the bones under the skin. They are the soft tissue, they are the soft fiber, they are found under the skin and over the bones. There are more than 600 muscles, or you can say there are 640 muscles in our body. 206 bones are there, and how many muscles are there? 640 muscles are there in human body. They form the muscular system which helps in the movement of the body. How whenever we move, they are because of our muscles and bones. So muscles are attached the bones by the strong cords. They are known as tendons. So with the help of tendons, muscles attached to the bones and muscles together help us to do many activities like running, sitting, eating and etc. So there are 640 muscles in our body. Heart muscles, the muscles which are present in our heart, they work tirelessly, means they work throughout the life. They pump the blood to various parts of body. Pump means they send the blood to various part of body. They never get tired, they work tirelessly. वो हमेशा वर्क करते रहते, कभी स्टॉप नहीं करते वर्किंग. और वो क्या करते हैं? दे सेंड द ब्लड टू द वेरियस पार्ट ऑफ आवर body. Okay, so read this chapter up to here. Next time we will talk about the next system. Okay.